Alhamdulillah, our school has toppled in the district जो डाइट ब्यूरो की तरफ से examination which is being conducted there every year. So in that we have secured the first position and we have secured the second position. So first position is for the Aina Nisar and second position is for Maliha Zuhur, and also then we have secured fifth position also, two fifth positions. So there are other positions also, distinctions are also. So Alhamdulillah, the result has been outstanding and shukr Allah ka isme.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Aina Nisar, a student of Peace School Nagam, and recently the results of class 8 2024 was declared, and I scored 598 out of 600, and I feel blessed to be the top performer at the district level. I think examination is one of the challenge itself, and to overcome it, I have done hard work, and consistency is the key to success. Time management is a skill that every student should excel. So if you are not able to excel, if you are not able to manage the time, so we will not be in a position to manage between the personal life and the academics. So in order to manage time, I prioritize my task before doing that. Study tips may differ from one person to another, and it work for others. So I think the spaced repetition is one of the study tip that I would recommend. For many others, they will think that it is just a class 8 examination, but for others it will inspire them, and I want to tell them that if I can do it, then everybody else can do it as well. I want to tell them that the success is the combination of two things. First one, your efforts, and second, Allah's barakah. If you have put your efforts, then inshallah you will get results and do better next time.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Maliha Zuhurana from class 8th, and I have scored 297 out of 300 and secured second position in district Badgaon. I am very thankful to Almighty Allah for securing this position. And as far as academic journey is concerned, I believe that our academic journey will start from now. Until now, these were the foundational years, and in which our school has played an important role in developing it and laying the base foundation of these years. I think the curiosity of learning itself is the biggest motivation, and other than that, my parents and my teachers were the biggest motivation that inspired me for securing these excellence. My parents, as I said, my father is my biggest inspiration, which inspired me and will continue to inspire me in the rest of life. Um, um, it was not very difficult because we can combine all these aspects in one time, and our school has proven this. As we have in our school, we conducted a lot of events other than the academic events, for example science exhibition and tournaments, which will actually helped us get both the spheres in a good position.
Myself, Ayanessa, from preschool 9th class. I'm basically studying in the school since my UKG class, and I felt that school is very good rather than others. And I have scored 594 out of 100 in the 8th board examination. I feel blessed, and I thank Almighty Allah, my teachers, and my family, who has always been there to support me no matter how the condition was. Basically, the thing that motivated me the most, that was my parents need a successful daughter, and I just want to shine the name of my school and shine bright in my future academic journey. I think basically that when a student gives time to studies, and the student doesn't understand how he manages his time with the time with knowledge, with education, and his personal life, and giving time to their families. To be like my teachers, to get a well knowledge like them, it was my basically motivation that motivated me the most. And my teachers are my ideals whom I want to follow and get knowledge like them.
I am Uruba Nisar, a student of preschool Nagam, and in recently declared result of 8th class, I have scored 594 out of 600 and had secured a 5th position in district Badgam and a 3rd position in cluster. I feel great pleasure being the topper in this district, among the toppers in the district, and it's by the will of Allah and by the hard work of our teachers. I think every student has its specific study tip, and the study tip I would suggest to student is the blood drink method. I have done during this exam. I wrote down all the concept that I understood about the concept, and this was a study tip. I think my parents and my teachers were the role model in this academic journey.